Hi, everybody. My name is Tammy Silvas, and I'm an estate planning attorney in the state of Texas. I'm here today to talk to you about your frequently asked questions regarding estate planning. Things like, how does a will work? What is a trust? And what's the probate process like? But today, we're going to focus on one question, and that is the big one. What is estate planning? And do I even need it? So very briefly and simply, estate planning is planning for those that are going to receive your assets at the time of your death. It can include things like who's going to manage the process, how they're going to receive your assets, and when they're going to receive your assets. It also includes things like planning for your incapacity, who's going to make your decisions, who's going to make those healthcare calls. I know, I totally hear you. You don't want to think about this. No one wants to think about their incapacity or, God forbid, their death. But it's such an important topic to talk about because you know what? If you do not make a plan for yourself, the state has one for you, and the state's plan isn't always what you would want. Another thing to keep in mind is estate planning, well, it's not for the rich. It's for everyone who has assets, things like a house or a bank account with some funds in it, or even a life insurance policy, all need to be protected and planned for. So I'm going to go through a few reasons why you should consider estate planning and how it fits into your life and the needs of your family. Reason number one for estate planning, you get to choose your beneficiaries. The state won't choose them for you as long as you have planned in advance in the appropriate legal documents. Reason number two, you can choose who's going to manage your assets and make healthcare decisions for you if you became incapacitated. Again, you get to do it in advance without any state intervention so that your loved ones don't have to go to court if you became incapacitated. Reason number three, who's going to take care of those children? What if you did become incapacitated? What if you did pass away early? You can appoint who's going to take care of your children in either one of those situations. Because if you don't in advance, the state will do it for you. And again, it may not be who you want. Reason number four, taxes. What do they say? There are two things that are inevitable, death and taxes, and we're talking about both of them here. There's a thing called estate tax. There are ways to minimize and even prevent estate tax if you do the proper estate planning. And finally, the biggest reason of all to do, I think, estate planning is to keep your family out of court and out of conflict. When you put everything in a legally binding document, they don't have any reason to fight. It's all laid out for them. And I know you may think, my family isn't going to fight over what I have. I've heard that again and again and again. But I've also seen the battles again and again and again. If you put it all in a legally binding document through estate planning, there's no reason for them to fight. Your loved ones don't have to go to court, and they can focus on your love and your legacy and move forward in life. So I hope that answers your questions regarding what is estate planning and if you even need it. I would love to answer any questions that you have, so you can feel free to email me at tammy@silvaslaw.com, TAMMY@SILVASLAW.com. And I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Talk to you soon.